Hi! In this video, we will learn about how you can use the merge transformation object in Astera Centerprise. Merge transformation in Astera Centerprise is designed to merge data fragments from disparate sources based on some predefined logic and present it in a consolidated form to draw actionable insights. Here, we want to merge an organization's customer data that's coming in from two different departments: marketing and sales. The marketing department stores information in a database table, and the sales department maintains an Excel sheet for storing the customer's information. Since merge transformation merges data from a single source only, we have combined the data using the union transformation. We have also added a new field, data source, to keep track of which information is coming from which source. Drag and drop the merge transformation object from the transformations section in the toolbox onto the Dataflow Designer. Map the output of the union transformation object to the input of the merge transformation object. Right-click on the merge object and select Properties. A layout builder window will open, where you can specify the primary key. The primary key is a common identifier that recognizes similar records from different sources and merges them against that unique key. Since we are consolidating different customer records, we will set up customer ID as the primary key in this case. Next, we have to specify the version field. If the data is coming from multiple sources, version field shows which source the data is coming in from in the final merged output. In this case, we will use the data source field we added in the union transformation as the version field. Specify the survivor type for each field. Survivor type allows you to choose the survivor values that you want to retain from your data sources for each field. Survivor types are set as first by default. However, depending on your case, you can choose the survivor type from the list of options given in the drop-down menu. Since customer ID, company name, and contact name records are common in both the source files, we will set survivor type as first for these fields. For the other fields with missing records, set an appropriate survivor type. Now, specify precedence for each field. Precedence is the order in which you want the source data to be assessed. For instance, we have common data fields in both the sources, but different and missing records. We can set an appropriate precedence value to bring data from the desired data source. Next, you can set a specific condition, and the merge transformation will process records based on the criteria specified for a particular field. In this case, we have specified is not null for address and region fields since we don't want any of these fields to be empty. Depending on the requirements of the business case, you can add a logical expression in the expression field to process the incoming data value and transform it into the output according to the defined logic. The expression field can be used for mathematical and financial calculations, date and time manipulations, comparisons, and conversion functions. Click Next to proceed to the Merge Transformation Properties screen. Here, we have the case-sensitive, sort input, and version order descending checkboxes to select from as per our requirement. Click OK to close this window. Now, to have a look at the output, right-click on the header of the transformation object and select Preview Output from the context menu. A data preview window will open. Here, we can see that all the records from the two sources have been merged into one consolidated dataset, and the data fields have been filled with updated records. So, this is how you can use the merge transformation feature in Centerprise. For more information on how to use Astera Centerprise, you may also visit our documentation site. Thank you for watching this video.